I know some of you will be thinking, how do I start? My dear, this is how I formulate my feed. Oh. I'll walk you through this process and step on how I formulate the feed. As you can see, this is feed mixed with water. I will make sure I mix it very well so that it will be very mixed, so that it will be easy for the fowl then to pick it without having without picking non-nourished chaff. So I think the next process is, as you can see, that drinker there is rice that is inside. I will still have to add water to it to be moisture. Mix it very well so that there will be no stone untouched. Then I mix it with leftover rice, bottom pot. Rice when we eat remain the bottom pot, the burnt part. I will make sure I mix it very well. I know, mix it very well so that the rice will and the feed will go together, plus the water to be very very mixed. Also, as you can see, I'm mixing it. Make sure I mix it very well. As you can see, still mixing it. The next part is garbage. Yeah, garbage. It help to boost the immune system. It help to garbage is it's just like it has enough water to run through their system based on this dry season. So I'll mix all of them very well, and this will be my feed for today, January 6, 2026. Mixing it very well, turn it very well so that everything will be mixed. Turning, as you can see, with this one now, I would no complain of I don't have money to buy feed. If it's only the garbage I can give them, they will see use through that means to survive. If it's only the feed, I can also give them, but at least to reduce cost when it not cost for anywhere. This is what I'm using to feed my birds. If not today, I'll use it tomorrow. If I don't mix it tomorrow, just like that. But all I'm trying to do is to reduce cost. Because if I say I should go to the market to buy sack of feed, I know the cost and I know how much it will take from me. And that money is not available and I need to start. So let me start with what I have at my back space. Sometimes I use a akamu chaff and mix it with feed. If there's no feed, I give them like that, or I slash garbage. As you can see now, this is the mixed feed I'm giving the birds there. You see them, yeah, they're eating it. No matter how small, no matter how mixed the thing is, there's rice, there's feed, there's garbage. So the birds can decide to pick the garbage, decide to pick the feed.